Imagine a world where you could trade seamlessly on top of exchanges like Binance, Kucoin and Bybit without creating an account, verifying your identity, or compromising your privacy. Well, in today's video, we're going to be reviewing channel sponsor zkExchange, a trading platform designed to help others reclaim their privacy by combining zero-knowledge zk technology with a trading architecture that allows traders to perform anonymous and secure transactions while granting access to the largest and most prominent CEXs in the world. So if you like cryptocurrency and learning about these new crypto projects before they reach the masses, all I need you to do is smash up the like button for the algorithm and follow for more because it's free, so why not? Thanks for your support. And please understand that we're not financial advisors, and full disclosure, we do hold the cryptocurrencies discussed in today's video. Crypto trading is very risky. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Nothing in this video is considered financial advice, rather just education teaching you about this new cryptocurrency project. So if you're ready to learn, we're ready to teach. Let's get started. Cryptocurrency trading has become more and more popular, and trading smarter, not harder, is what zkExchange is all about. This is where you can experience gasless swaps, best pricing, and seamless access to global liquidity, all without sacrificing your privacy. Now, zkExchange, compared to typical decentralized exchanges or centralized exchanges, allows for cross-chain swaps, supported chains, as well as liquidity sources, best price guarantee, no account required, 24/7 support, also have walletless swaps and zero-knowledge trading. So why choose to use zkExchange? Well, it's effortless, private, and efficient. It also has a very user-friendly interface, and there's no login, no KYC, seamless automation, and privacy by design. So here's how this works. First, you can launch the app, choose your route, and swap your tokens. And right now, zkExchange's beta is live. So please understand that this is still a beta, and they're continuing to grow and make this platform the best that it can be. But let me share with you even more about this beta update and what exactly zkExchange is.
This is the moment you have been waiting for. We're thrilled to announce that beta testing is now open to the public. Let me show you zkExchange, our innovative zero-knowledge trading app. This is the main interface where you can view live ETH to USDC rates, for example, and select the assets you want to swap. We've integrated major centralized exchanges like Binance and Bybit for seamless trading. What sets zkExchange apart is that you don't need to connect your wallet. A fresh deposit wallet is generated for each trade, keeping your transactions untraceable. After depositing your funds, the chosen exchange completes the trade, and the swapped assets go straight to your destination wallet. You'll also see key details, like estimated trade time and whether the rate is floating or fixed. For example, swapping 0.1 BTC to 2.44 ETH takes about 5 to 45 minutes.
Now, after completing the core foundation of the platform, they're now starting to work on a stage of critical importance. That is the UX/UI design. Now, watch as zkExchange conducts a live trade here in their demo video.
We're going to conduct a live trade on zkExchange to show you exactly how the process works from deposit to completion. Now, let's get started. We start this process on our trading screen. I'm initiating a swap of 200 USDT to ETH. We'll select Binance as the CEX for this trade. As you can see, the current rate shows approximately 0.054 ETH in return. Now, let's hit Exchange Now and proceed to the next screen. This is the deposit stage. zkExchange has generated a unique deposit address for this trade. You can either scan the QR code or manually copy the address to send your USDT. Once the funds hit this address, the trade will automatically move to the next stage. Now the platform is awaiting network confirmations. This can take a few minutes depending on blockchain congestion. Notice how the trade status is displayed here at the top. This ensures you're always in the loop about what's happening. You can also see the estimated time frame for completion. Once the deposit is confirmed, zkExchange routes the trade through Binance. This is the processing phase. where USDT is being exchanged for ETH. Since we chose a floating rate, the final amount may vary slightly depending on market fluctuations during execution. And there we have it. The trade is now complete. 0.055 ETH has been sent directly to the receiving wallet I specified earlier. In total, the process took around 6 minutes from deposit to finalization, well within the estimated time frame. zkExchange's efficiency and privacy-focused design ensure that trades happen swiftly, with zero trace connecting the deposit wallet to the receiving address.
Now, since then, they've also made some new updates. Let's go ahead and watch this segment of our video.
In this video, we'll show how the new updates will look like. Watch as we swap USDT to BNB on Bybit. Notice how the process flows smoothly, with every key detail clearly displayed, from the transaction initiation to its completion. We've worked hard to ensure you always know what's happening and how long it will take. These improvements are just the beginning.
Now, after the first wave of upgrades, they've continued to upgrade even more. Let's check out these additional upgrades at the time of this recording.
The first wave of upgrades has arrived. As we journey through the beta phase, expect continuous enhancements, new features, and powerful improvements to our platform. This update brings 20 new trading pairs, CEX listed and selected from top market trends, and a live support button. Get 24/7 direct assistance from real user agents anytime you need it. Reclaim privacy, access global markets, and trade at the best rates with zkExchange. Join the beta and shape the future with us. Enjoy the upgrades and get ready for what's next.
So now that you know a little bit more about how zkExchange works, let's talk about their tokenomics and their token. Currently, it's on the Ethereum chain with 100 million supply, and there is a tax. But according to their new revenue share model, their platform is live, and they want to share some insights about the fees included in your transaction trades. Now, these fees have been carefully calculated to provide the most cost-effective trading experience compared to other exchange platforms. Besides the already low fees here, you can see range from only 1% to 2% depending on primary assets being traded and at the time. From this, 75% will be allocated directly to its holders, sent to a dedicated fund that will periodically distribute proportion to them. Let's go ahead and check out this video.
While our platform fees are intentionally low to ensure cost-efficient trades, the collective volume of countless transactions will create a substantial revenue pool, which we'll share with our holders. Each transaction will incur 3 specific fees that we've optimized to deliver the highest cost efficiency possible. The transfer fee, incurred when sending your funds to the zkExchange wallet, created specifically for your trade, considerably lower than a trading fee. The CEX fee, associated with executing trades within the CEX order books. And the zkExchange platform fee, a small fee for using our platform. Each day, 75% of the revenue collected specifically from our platform trading fees will be allocated to a fund dedicated to being distributed among our holders. Your trades fuel our vision, your rewards shape the future. zkExchange.
To date, they have conducted over $170,000 in Ethereum in buybacks, and you can see preserving this through some of the market's most volatile conditions. Priority of this project is to reward and uphold the trusted holder. And with any new cryptocurrency project, volatility as well as risk management is always advised. So make sure to follow zkExchange over on their X account for new updates as they continue to provide them in real time. Thanks for watching today's review video. We'll see you in the next ones. Stay tuned.